YouTubers, this is Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing Creep by STP. Okay, cool. Standard tuning, and this song is great, and it's really pretty easy actually. Very dark, nice song. Okay, let's go. We got E minor, 1, 2. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. We got B7. That's 1, 2, 3. So that's the main chords for the intro and the verses. And then we got a G major. And the bridge to A minor. 1, 2, 3. For the chorus we got some other stuff going on, but let's talk about that when we get there. Okay, so song starts in C, on C, B7, C major, B7, and then when it starts singing we're gonna start on E minor. C major, B7, C major, G major, A minor, E minor. Again, same thing. A minor, E minor, G major, A minor. Now it's a little bit different. The end of the pre-chorus, each time they go to C. And then we're gonna move the C up to this D here, which is same shape as C, just move it to the 5th fret. Okay, that's gonna take us to the chorus. That's E minor, F sharp over G to G major. We have the melody. But let's do this. Let's play E minor 7. Pinky on 3rd fret B string. And then just move your 2nd finger to a 2nd fret low E string. And mute the A string. And then you move 3rd finger to G. Just 2 fingers like that. And either we can strum it, we can pick it like they do. That would be 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 5, 4, 3. And then melody, that's open A, 1, 2, new string, D string, 2. Second time that they end on 2 A string. Let's go back to verse 3, 4. E minor 7. pre-chorus, G major, A minor, and E minor, G major, A minor, and E minor, G major, A minor, and C to D, this D, 5th fret, and then chorus. Cool. That's all the parts. Down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, let's review everything before we end the lesson. We got the intro, C major, B7, E minor. 2 times. And then when you start singing, it starts on E. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2, C major, B7, and E. And then pre-chorus, G major, A minor, E minor. 2 times. Second time, G major, A minor, C, and move the C up to 5, make that a D. What is that? Like a D something. D sus. D11. I don't know. And then chorus. A minor 7, F sharp of a G, G major, and melody. Cool. Thanks, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Be cool, be safe, take it easy. Thank you.